Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul and weekly meal plan. So everything that you see here was literally $37. I know, right? We usually spend like $50, $60, but literally it was only $37 because I was at work 3 o'clock in the morning and I just decided that I want to do a grocery pickup. This is the second time that I did the Walmart grocery pickup. The first time it did not go so well because they mixed like my fruits and veggies in with my pork. But it's fine. They reimbursed me and everything else. So then I tried for the second time. That was back in April. And it's October and I'm doing it the second time. So hopefully everything looks good. So let's just hope for the best. But also, I did write out my meal plan, but it's actually in the car in my book bag that I take to work. But it's very simple. I'm just going to explain to it whenever I get to the items. But let's move on to right here. We're having some ground beef for lasagna. The lasagna recipe is on the allrecipe.com. It's called World Famous Lasagna. So I picked that up, and that's what we're going to have. Need some cheese for the lasagna. Let me tell you this. I was looking for some zucchini. I looked for like maybe 10 minutes. Could not find zucchini. All they had was organic zucchini for like $2 and something. So I was like, you know what? I have to reach $30 anyways to even place a pickup order. So I just went ahead and got organic zucchini. It's fine. Got some strawberries, mushrooms, and this is for the lasagna. So the recipe called for double of this, and it'll make like 12 servings, but it's literally just going to be Jared and I. So we cut it in half. So we got 1 can of crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, tomato sauce, and the AC actually just cut on, and another tomato sauce. Then we got some apples, needed some lasagna noodles, ricotta cheese, bay leaf. So now this was actually the Walmart brand, and what's good about the grocery pickup is that if they don't have the item that you picked, then they will substitute. So I picked the Walmart brand, was about $1.74, but they were out of the great value, so they substitute the McCormick one, which is a lot higher, like $3, $4, and I didn't have to pay anything extra. I just paid the $1.74. So that's actually a pretty good thing about grocery pickup. Needed Italian seasoning. Jared's been wanting some s'mores because it's been pretty cold for the past 3 days, I think. Yeah, like in the 59s, in the 50s. So he wanted s'mores, and we're just going to cook it in the oven and everything. So we got marshmallows, we got some Hershey chocolate, graham crackers, and that is it. We'll get to this box in a minute. But that is it for the meal plan. We're having, on Monday, we're having cube steak, pork cube steak with gravy and mushrooms. And I think we have some potatoes that we need to use up. And we'll have a veggie, which will probably have zucchini like always. Then on Tuesday, we're having lasagna. And that's going to carry us over to Wednesday for leftovers. And then Thursday, we'll have breakfast as always. And then Friday, we'll be heading to a wedding 4 hours away. So Friday and Saturday, we will be gone. Possibly Sunday also, but we will see. Now, moving very quickly before I end the video. This, I'm not going to flip it over because it has my address. But this is the Yum box. And it is a subscription box that Jared and I have been getting. Maybe this is our 3rd box. And it's $15 for the smallest one, but there is other ones. But this box is pretty much, you get to taste snacks around the world. So each month they pick a place. Like we have gotten Turkey and Greece. And they give you 5 to 7 snacks and descriptions and everything else. It's been really, really fun. And we do like Snapchat videos. We've been doing Snapchat videos. And then my brother's been wanting me to do a YouTube video on unboxing this and trying it on the video. But let me know. It's actually really fun, and you get to try different snacks from around the world. I think this month is Austria, so that sounds really good. I never tried any snacks from there, so it would be really, really interesting. So let me know if y'all want to see a video on that. And if y'all do, I will do it on Monday. So I will not open this box until Monday. And this video is coming up on Sunday. So make sure you comment down below if you want to see a video on the Yum box. Like I said, it's $15 a month. And you can cancel it whenever you want to. So there's no pressure. But anyways, I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I hope y'all are ready for this week. And just let me know if y'all have a grocery haul, if y'all have a channel, anything and everything. I will go and support you guys. Thank you for everybody who has come to watch me and to support me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys later. Bye.